Ultimea Nova C40 Projector. Main features are: Ultimea Nova C40 is a highly versatile, budget-friendly lifestyle projector built with an integrated gimbal system. Designed for on-the-go portability and bedroom cinema setups, it eliminates the need for a separate tripod. It sets itself apart from standard entry-level projectors by carrying official, native Netflix and Disney Plus certifications directly on its Android TV interface. Built in 90 degrees gimbal base, the structural stand lets you pan the projector 360 degrees horizontally and tilt it 135 degrees vertically. Travel-ready design. Weighing just 2.9 kilograms, 6.4 pounds. It comes packaged with an expanded polypropylene EPP storage carrying bag, allowing you to transport it safely for backyard movie nights or camping trips. Brightness and resolution. Powered by an LED light source producing 600 ANSI lumens. It features a native 1080p Full HD resolution and actively handles 4K decoding to optimize fine details and lines. A spheric 4-layer lens uses customized aspheric optical glass technology paired with adaptive angle correction lens technology, occult, to reduce edge distortion, keeping the corners sharper than standard spherical lens. Fully enclosed optical engine. The light path is completely sealed against dust ingress. This eliminates the common issue of black dust spots developing on the inner LCD screen panel over time. To F intelligent calibration. Outfitted with an active infrared time of flight. To F sensor that automatically triggers 2-second autofocus and 60 auto keystone alignment whenever the projector is bumped or tilted. Throw ratio. It features a fixed 1.25:1 throw ratio, allowing you to throw a clear image up to 100 or 120 inches across from roughly 2.5 to 3 meters away.